Now, your Storm Team 18 forecast on News 18.
All right, starting off with tonight, looking at a fairly warm night, temperatures falling down to 70 degrees by Tuesday morning, so quite a warm start to your day on Tuesday. Going to be quite a toasty one, so looking at probably not even needing your jacket, but you still will need the umbrella potentially, as unfortunately you have a couple of those showers and storms around by Tuesday morning, but temperatures upper 60s to lower 70s by tomorrow morning. For Tuesday itself, looking at 2 rounds of storms. That one that you did see around 7 o'clock, that will continue through about 10 o'clock into the morning, expecting that first round to be mainly scattered activity from that mainly from that line of storms coming out of Missouri, Wisconsin. Will be that line of storms coming through here, but after that, looking at some dry time around the noon hour, and if we do get some sunshine, this could lead to the further development of some storms here in the afternoon, 3 o'clock time frame. That's when we do watch the potential for some strong storms between about 2 to 5 o'clock, and then after that, temperatures falling throughout the rest of your day. Temperatures, though, Tuesday afternoon, upper 70s to near 80 degrees, so quite a warm afternoon, still quite toasty and quite humid as well, as the dew points will be reaching the upper 60s to near 70 degrees, so quite a warm, humid day. But for Wednesday, temperatures still in the 70s for the afternoon hours before those rain and storm chances return as that warm front moves right back up to our north, and that will bring in again that chance of some rain later on in the day. But the first half of the day does look dry for now, but looking at temperatures upper 60s to 70s as we head into your Wednesday afternoon. Now, as we head towards tonight, this model seems to be very much all over the place with the timing of the storm chances, but look at Tuesday morning, you can see it's not showing much, just a couple of these isolated showers around. That'll be the first round, but I do think there will be some scattered activity through about 10 o'clock in the morning, and then we watch the clearing taking place. That if we do get a lot of clearing, this will lead to, unfortunately, those storm development. You can see down to our southeast, those storms firing off, as again, this will be feeding off of, again, all the sunshine. So the more sunshine we get Tuesday afternoon, the worse it will be, but the more cloud cover we get, the better it will be. But unfortunately, again, this model seems to pinpoint that we could see some more robust storm development as we head towards the afternoon time frame for your Tuesday. But after about 5 o'clock, we should dry out, looking at some sunshine back in our area as we head into your Wednesday. And then as we progress throughout Wednesday, looking at those increasing clouds, and then once again, some more shower and storm chances by later on in the day. But back to that storm threat for Tuesday, looking at a slight risk from White County pointing to the southeast, marginal risk from the northwestern part of White County pointing to the northwest, so lower threat for some strong storms, but still that slight risk remains for our southeastern counties. But in terms of the threats, looking at wind being the main threat, not so much for northwestern counties, but for hail, also low end threat for that, but not so much for Newton or Jasper counties to our northwest. But down the road, though, do expect, again, those storm chances to be, again, pretty impactful in our area, at least for the first half of your Tuesday. But after that, Wednesday, evening storms, more storms likely on Thursday, then 66 on Friday with a few showers, and then it turns nice and dry after Friday with lots of sunshine, and then temperatures back into the 80s by next